whose job it is to relax your rectum.
It says she's an exotic dancer at the...
Exotic. Exotic.
It says she's an exotic dancer at the... So just go there and hire the hooker to pretend to be your girlfriend. And there's a sentence I never thought I'd say.
Sentence. Sentence.
And there's a sentence I never thought I'd say.
Have the cupcake window rent-free.
Wow, hon, that's a cheap shot. Low, bitchy, I respect that.
Respect. Respect.
Low, bitchy, I respect that. Low, bitchy, I respect that.
We'll go to the strip club, but if...
Strip. Strip.
We'll go to the strip club, but if...
It's here.
Max, please be professional when she comes in. No sexual comments.
Comment. Comment.
No sexual comments.
The chairman of the board is here.
Chairman. Chairman.
Chairman of the board is here. Been waiting my whole life.
Hello, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Caroline Channing, and this is my colleague, Max Black.
Colleague. Colleague.
And this is my colleague, Max Black.
Yo, how's this gonna work? I don't do two at a time, so who wants to watch, who wants to ride?
Ride. Ride.
So who wants to watch, who wants to ride? So who wants to watch, who wants to ride?
Oh, right. Neither of us will be riding, per se. Oh,
Neither. Neither.
neither of us will be riding, per se. Oh.
Told myself I'd never sink that low again.
Yeah, we say that every day when we get dressed for work.
Dress. Dress.
Yeah, we say that every day when we get dressed for work. Did in all honesty, a little turned on, and I cannot be a latent bisexual with everything else already on my plate.
Plate. Plate.
With everything else already on my plate.
You must be Han's mother. I'm Earl. I was just reading the Bible.
Bible. Bible.
I was just reading the Bible.
What does that face mean in Korean?
I mean,
Korean. Korean.
What does that face mean in Korean?
I mean,
That's weird. These usually bring joy to the people.
Joy. Joy.
These usually bring joy to the people.
Han Lee, where is your girlfriend?
You'll meet her at dinner tomorrow. She wanted to be here, but with church and all her work and brain surgery,
Surgery. Surgery.
But with church and all her work and brain surgery, please have June come to your apartment and we can brief her.
Well, if it's with you, it's gonna be brief.
Brief. Brief.
Well, if it's with you, it's gonna be brief.
Max, I think he can take it off now. It's been an hour and we spun him around 3 times.
Spun. Spun.
We spun him around 3 times.
Here we are, all relaxed. And that was wild. Look at it.
Wild. Wild.
And that was wild. Look at it.
Oh, wait, so his mom is supposed to believe that their parts match up somehow and
Match. Match.
that their parts match up somehow and... I am just so excited that my Han finally found the perfect girlfriend. Oh, you know his June is a brilliant brain surgeon.
Surgeon. Surgeon.
Oh, you know his June is a brilliant brain surgeon.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
It's a Pleasure to meet you. I've heard.
Upstairs on the roof of church, we wanted to be closer to God. We are both so holy.
Holy. Holy.
We are both so holy.
Now, before we start on the appetizers, June, please pray.
I don't know any prayers.
No.
Prayer. Prayer.
I don't know any prayers.
No. But first, please, can I get a Moscow Mule?
Go, June, please pray.
Pray. Pray.
Go, June, please pray.
Han's mom is right behind me. She saw you two come in here. I tried to stop her, but she has strength, and it is all core.
Core. Core.
But she has strength, and it is all core. I tried to stop her, but she has strength, and it is all core. Hide!
Hide. Hide.
Hide! But she has strength, and it is all core. Hide! I'm sweating through the price tag, and I have.
Tag. Tag.
I'm sweating through the price tag, and I have.
What is going on between you and my Han? You two have been whispering all night. Poor.
Whisper. Whisper.
You two have been whispering all night. Poor. The truth is, your father and I are no longer together. He had an affair with another woman who is.
Affair. Affair.
He had an affair with another woman who is. He had an affair with another woman who has big, thick ones like her.
Max's breasts are real, Mrs. Lee.
Breast. Breast.
Max's breasts are real, Mrs. Lee.